So I let some air out of these tires, got them down to about 8 psi as I've been working on this thing, and that's worked fine. It gave me a couple more inches, but I want to get them all the way down, and these tires are almost brand new, so I don't want to damage them by leaving them totally flat and squished for a long period of time. But I do have these other set of wheels and tires that the owner gave me as part of the purchase. And these are all pretty old tires. They could probably be used. I think 3 of them have a little bit of tread left, but they're pretty tired and old and worn. I would never use those. Maybe somebody else would. So what I'm going to do is take these Lexus LX 450 wheels that he's got on here. I'm going to pull those off and put the set of 4 Land Cruiser wheels and tires with the old worn tires on there. Let all the air out. Just let it sit totally flat on the rim, on the rubber. And those tires I don't care about. And I'm hoping I'll get maybe another 5 or 6 inches of drop here in the front without having to pull the springs and everything out to be able to work on it easier. So I'm going to pop these wheels off, get the other ones on, and let's see how much lower it comes. You can see right now it's, where is it? Right up there. It's very close to the garage door, and we don't have a whole lot of clearance above or even when we're working on it on the front. You know, I got to come up to it. This is about, let's see, maybe 4 inches below my chest, and I'm hoping it falls down to kind of my waist or my belly button, which I think it will. So let's get these wheels swapped out. We got the Land Cruiser wheels and these old raggedy tires on here, and I am letting all the air out one by one. This one's all the way down, and the rest are on the way too. Here's the end result. It's a lot lower, much lower. I'm not sure if you can tell on the video or not, but the fender liner here is a little below my belly button now, and from the front, without getting on a step stool or anything, I can reach all the way back here, which is awesome. And from the side, I can reach all the way over. Before I could barely get to here, even though I'm 6'1". So that's perfect. Will make it a lot easier for me to continue working on this thing. If you have an extra set of wheels or tires, or if you just don't give a crap about the tires on your wheels, this will be a good way to get yourself a little better access into the engine bay without having to stand on a step stool or a box. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to keep going on this project. Make sure to subscribe for more updates, and see you next time.